Hey friends, Ctrl+Alt+Tech brings you a series of tech tutorials that are short, interesting, and informative. If you like the video, click the like button. Click the bell icon to subscribe for our videos.
We will learn how to use the sum function in Microsoft Excel. We will use this sample data. Go to cell A9, type sum and open parentheses. Now drag your cursor to select the cells A1 to A8. Close the parentheses and press enter. You can see the sum of the cells in cell A9. Alternatively, you can use the auto sum function in the ribbon. Keep the cell A9 selected. Go to auto sum and select sum. The sum of numbers in cells A1 to A8 appears in the cell A9.
Thank you for watching this video.